Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the poem The Rebel. Now the rebel, the word you may be aware of, a person you may find in your life who always goes against what you say, or he will do something or he will say something against the common people. For example, if you say let's go for a movie and all are ready, but that person will not be ready. He will say no, I will not come today. If we all like something, for example, we say that we like apple as fruit and everybody buys apple, he will buy mangoes. A person who goes against the society or against your wishes, against the common people or common populace views is a rebel. Now let's see in the poem with examples. In the introductory part of the poem, we find that the writer says, do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. So the thing that we have discussed just now, that you will find this rebel is disagreeing with you and your friends and is doing opposite of what everyone thinks. Now let's see stanza wise. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So when there is a fashion that everyone is keeping short hair, what does the rebel do? He tries to grow his hair long. And when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So when everybody is keeping long hair, when the long hair is the fashion, the trend, at that time he will keep his hair short. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long, and when everybody has long hair, the rebel cut his hair short. So you can see in the picture, when everybody has short hair, the rebel will let his hair grow long. He will keep long hair. And when everybody has long hair, the rebel will cut his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When the class, when the teacher is not there during the lesson, when everybody is talking, the rebel will be silent. And sometimes during the lesson, when nobody is talking, by this pin drop silence, the rebel will create a disturbance. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. At that time, he will speak in the class. So in this example, we can see how that during the class, during the lesson, when everybody is talking, when everybody is discussing, at that time, he will not say a word. And when nobody is discussing, when everybody is silent, at that time, he will talk something. He will create a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic cloth. When everybody is wearing the school uniform or any particular uniform of the occasion, at that time, the rebel will wear fantastic cloth. He will wear something different. He will wear funky clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. And when suppose party is there and everybody is wearing fantastic clothes, decorative clothes, at that time he will wear sober dress. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic cloth. When everybody wears fantastic cloth, the rebel dresses soberly. So you can see in the picture, when everybody is wearing uniform, at that time he will wear fantastic cloth. And when everybody is in fantastic cloth, at that time he will wear a sober dress. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. So when, for example, if we all are discussing about dogs, at that time he will express his preference for cats. At that time he will say that I like cat. So when everybody is liking dog and praising about dog, keeping dog as pet, etc. At that time, he will say that I like to keep cat as pet. And the other way around, in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So when people are sitting there having love towards cat, and they are discussing about cat or keeping cat as pet, at that time he says something about dogs. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses preference for cats, and the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So when dog lovers are there, at that time he will tell something about cat. When cat lovers are there, he will tell something about dogs. In the company of dog lovers, the preference, the same thing that we have found. There you can see the thing picture that he will show his preference for cat, and when the discussing of cat, he will show his preference for dog. You can see the pictures have been animated or shown here just to get an idea. Now he will show that I like dog, and he will show his preference for dog when there is discussion about cat. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody is praising the sun, so when there is sun and there is hot season, when everybody is praising, yes, how warm we are feeling because of sun, at that time he will express his idea, his demand for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, or sometimes it's rainy season and everybody likes or happy due to rain, at that time the rebel regrets the absence of sun. At that time the rebel will express that why the sun is not there, and how because of sun being not there they are feeling missing the sun, etc. So he will regret. Regret means he will feel for the absence of sun. So when everybody is praising sun, he will express his demand for rain, and when everybody is welcoming the rain, at that time he will express the absence of sun. You can see in the picture, more pictures are shown to make you understand better. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. He is just demanding the need for rain, that oh, it's very hot, if there would be rain, how much it would be better, how much happy would have been, etc. And when everybody is getting this rain, at that time he will express his willingness for sunlight. When everybody is praising the sun, at that time he will express the need for rain. So that the picture is about sun, the former picture was about rain. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. So suppose somebody is offering something, for example a Pepsi, and the people sitting there, everybody is saying yes please thank you. At that time rebel will refuse that offer and say no thank you. So when everybody says yes please, when everybody is ready to take that drink, at that time he will say no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Similarly, when all people are sitting there and somebody offers a coffee and it's hot, so nobody wants coffee now. So when say everybody is refusing the coffee and saying no thank you, at that time the rebel will say yes please, you can give me coffee, I will drink it. So when everybody says yes please, the rebel says no, and when everybody says no, the rebel says yes. So that, as we found in the definition, he goes totally against the general common populace views and expression. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So when everybody is going to the meeting, when a meeting is being held, the rebel will not go, he will stay at home and prefer to read a book. When everybody is staying at home and reading a book, the rebel will go to the meeting. So here we find, you can see in the picture, When everybody are in the meeting, he will not go to the meeting, he will stay at home and read a book there. And when everybody is at home, he go to the meeting. The same thing, the picture has been shown here, that he is staying at home and reading a book when all are in the meeting. The thing that we have seen earlier, everybody says yes please, everybody says no. You can see in the picture, no and yes. When everybody said no thank you, it's very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So this last stanza is important. The last line is more important. It is very good that we have rebels. So rebels are necessary in society, because you must be remembering Shikara's thought there. The quotation: the successful people don't do different things, they do things differently. Successful people don't do different things, they do things differently. So here a rebel also, he does things differently or says differently. He goes away from the common man. He expresses differently. So we can see that he gives a platform, a new horizon for different views. So in that way, rebels are helpful to the society. But you might find it very good to be one. But it will not be good to be one. That means you can't be acceptable in the society if you are one. So the rebels are good for the society, but still it's very difficult for you to be one. Because if you try to be rebel, people will not accept you. Everybody is saying yes and you say no, then people will think you are a rude person. So people will think you as a negative person. There will be more criticism against you if you try to be rebel. So with this we finish the point. Hope you understood the point. Have a good day.